Good morning! Yes, I literally just woke up. I am sitting outside as usual having my coffee, but I can't actually drink it because I'm using my coffee cup to hold up my phone to do this video, so I am going to keep this one really short. Just wanted to kind of pop on and say hi to you guys personally, do another little vlog style video. Just wanted to give you a really quick tour of my garden, and more importantly, the reason for this video is that I want to make a zucchini bread with zucchinis that I actually grew from my garden. So I'm super excited about that, especially because last year I tried to grow zucchinis with no luck whatsoever, but I've learned a lot this year about actually growing zucchinis. So I'm gonna give you guys a little quick sneak peek of my garden and of my zucchini plants that actually aren't doing anything again, but I did get 4 really nice zucchinis just the other day, so I've already plucked them. They're already in the kitchen, and it is fixing to rain today. It's really hot and overcast and kind of humid and gross out here, so I'm going to use today as a perfect opportunity to get in that kitchen and prepare a zucchini bread from zucchinis that I grew. How cool is that? So yeah, let's go check out this garden tour. I haven't updated you guys since I want to say it was close to 2 months ago. I don't even know. I'm losing all track of time. I have no idea even what day it is at this point. So yeah, I'm sure you guys are in the same boat. So comment below if you actually know what day today is. So let's go check it out. Let's go make a zucchini bread. Hey, kitty cat girl. Look at you. You're so pretty. So pretty and so mean. Why are you so mean? Hey, teddy bear. What's up, Ted? Oh, the cutest kitty in the world. Hey, Ted, you want some catnips? Come here. Let's go get a little catnips. Look, Teddy. That's a catbird. I learned that. I don't know where. Look at this lush green garden. It's come a long way since my garden update tour from about over a month ago. I've really worked hard in amending this soil, so things are actually really taking to it. It's growing. I have some jalapeno peppers popping over here. What else? Check this out. That's a pepper. That's a bell pepper, and I grew it. Isn't that cool? My eggplants have been attacked from day one. I mean, look at these leaves. I've had these little sucking beetles on here literally from day one, so I've been spraying neem oil to keep it organic, but I lost a couple plants. I mean, these leaves literally look like lace. That's how much they've just chewed through them. I mean, look at this. So I have been battling the pests a little bit, but nothing really too major. Look at this giant bell pepper. I grew that. You know what, guys? It's so cool. It's so satisfactory to be able to grow your own food. I mean, I guess some people are into it and some people just aren't. But I love it. It's so rewarding. Got lots of tomatoes popping, but nothing is red. heard a few other people say this year how the tomatoes are taking a really long time. So I can't say that it's anything I did. I did start most of this from seed, so maybe I'm lagging behind just a little bit. But the one thing that I did want to show you guys, and the reason for this video, because we're going to make a zucchini bread today. That's a zucchini. That's a really small one. And I'm actually surprised I got any zucchinis this year, because I tried to grow zucchini last year with zero luck whatsoever. So I learned a lot this year. Basically, that it's difficult for the zucchinis to pollinate. Even though you leave it to the bees, and if you see that flower over there, there's basically male flowers and female flowers, and they just somehow have a hard time pollinating. So I actually took a paintbrush. Hold on, let me show you. I don't have my paintbrush on me, but basically you find the male flower, which doesn't have any fruit on it, and you kind of open up that flower, and inside there should be some pollen. So I took a little paintbrush and I took some of the pollen from the male flower and brushed it on the tip of the female flower, which would be the flower with the fruit on it. I don't have any examples to show you because lately there just have not been any female flowers fruiting. See these over here? Those are going to be some female flowers. So what I would do is take the pollen out of that male flower that I showed you and brush it on the tip of the female. So basically, I'm forcing them to make a sex. Kale coming out the yin yang. I can't keep up with eating all the kale and all the Swiss chard. It's a good thing I love greens so much. I basically put them in everything. Veggie stir fry. I have a recipe for it. You guys should check it out. And what do we have here? See, it's almost like they pop up out of nowhere, and I'm like, whoa, look at the size of that cucumber. I didn't even see it growing there, and then all of a sudden it's like 5 inches long. So that one's ready to be picked, with another little baby coming right behind it. Hold on a minute, I wanted to taste this radish. I just plucked this radish. I haven't had good luck with radishes this year. You'd think something like a radish would be really easy to grow. But if you saw my first garden update with the debacle of my first run at growing radishes in those horrible peat cups. I started these seeds in these like peat moss containers. I'm sure you guys have seen this. Right? So this is supposed to, the roots are supposed to grow out of this. This is supposed to disintegrate and biodegrade in the dirt, and it's not. And so my radishes, not to mention probably everything else, because I started them all in seed from this, are just basically like confined to this friggin' thing that never broke down. So look at my radishes. They're just like skinny, straight. Like here's a pretty decent looking one. So this time I planted the seeds directly into the dirt with no peat cups to restrict them. And this is what I got. One crappy looking radish. I want to eat it though. Coffee and radishes for breakfast. Oof. Just gonna kind of, I'm not going in to wash it. We need our B12, right? From the dirt. What's this weird layer on it? It's got this weird skin on it. Looks ugly. I'm gonna eat it. Ugh, it's gross. Sorry. It's terrible. I don't know. It's just a radish. Radishes are kind of gross. So peppery. Woo! Hot! Anyway, let's go make a zucchini bread. That'll taste much better than this. Hey, look at that. Everybody gets to eat today. I fed the squirrels some peanuts, and this little ant got a little fragment bigger than his body. He's bringing it home.